Welcome to Features in 5, our series of 5-minute lessons about enhancements to Penny, our investment partnership accounting software. In this lesson, we'll show you enhancements to our period estimates functionality that offer you greater data and reporting capabilities. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to process an estimate for all the funds in a particular consolidation. You'll also learn how to flag an estimate as a baseline to use for comparisons. And you'll see new and enhanced reports that provide greater reporting capabilities for estimates. There's lots to show you in 5 minutes, so let's get started. First up is an enhancement you'll probably notice right away in Penny, a new folder that houses all the screens and reports for period estimates. This sets them apart from the standard period features in Penny. Next, I'll show you the enhancements to estimates on consolidations. You can now process an estimate for all the funds in a particular consolidation. This means that you can generate interim capital reports and fee calculations without performing ending processing and closing a period. You can also leverage this new functionality to process a master feeder structure. 2 screens in Penny facilitate this processing. The new Estimates Consolidation screen provides a simple way to create multi-period estimates for several funds at one time. And speaking of multi-period estimates, the existing Estimates for Multiple Periods screen still displays estimates created on consolidations, and it's now enhanced so you can choose to include or exclude this information. Up next is an enhancement to the processing of estimates. This is a quick one, but important to know. A new tool, the Estimate Reversal utility, lets you clear any partially processed estimates for funds that may have occurred in error. This helps you manage your estimate processing more efficiently. Now I'll show you some really useful enhancements that incorporate a great new feature, the Estimate Baseline. You'll definitely want to know about these. First, an initial estimate for any fund or date is now automatically flagged in Penny as a baseline. And second, you can now flag a specific estimate as a baseline through the Editing Estimate Status screen. This feature is useful when saving multiple estimates, since the current estimate can be compared with the baseline. You can also distribute estimate results and later make changes and create an additional estimate for the same fund or date. Several reports support this new functionality. The new Variation Analysis report displays the current and baseline estimated values for 2 dates for comparison. And there are 3 variations of this report: investor capital, interest rates, and trial balance. The Variation Analysis report and the baseline indicator together are a particularly powerful combination when you distribute estimates to third parties. Using these tools, you can make revisions to those estimates and track the effect of those revisions. And because tagging an estimate as a baseline reference point is so useful, we've enhanced several existing features to incorporate it, including the Estimate Report, the Single Period Estimates Browse screen, and the Multiple Period Estimates Browse screen. This brings us to our last area of enhancements that I want to tell you about, estimate reporting. You now have a variety of ways to report estimated income. 2 new reports, the Estimated Income Statement and Estimated Income Statement by Category, display the details of the estimated income calculated for funds for either single or multiple period estimates. 2 existing Penny reports now include period estimates. The Investor Income by Ledger Category report displays estimated income by investor and series. And the Investor Transaction report displays information calculated as part of the period estimate. Well, that pretty much sums up our estimate enhancements in Penny. You now know how to process an estimate for all funds in a consolidation. You also understand how estimates can be flagged as baselines. And you know about the new and enhanced Penny reports that provide you with even greater reporting capabilities. We're really excited about all these new features in Penny. If you'd like more information, please contact your Client Relationship Manager. You can also visit the Penny Help File that has a wealth of great information on how to use Penny and its features. You can access the help at any time by pressing F1 on your keyboard or selecting Help from the window menu. Until next time, thanks for watching our Features in 5.